Taxes.
Explained by cats.
Kitty work. Kitty work hard. Kitty work every day. Kitty make 10 fish. Kitty smile. Kitty proud. Kitty dance. Kitty go home. Kitty open wallet. Only 7 fish. Kitty scream. Where fish go? Kitty call boss. Boss say, government take 3 fish. Kitty confused. Kitty no see government. Kitty no give permission. Kitty ask, why is take kitty fish? Boss say, for roads, for schools, for fish police. Kitty no drive. Kitty no school. Kitty never seen fish police. Kitty still sad. Kitty angry. Kitty want refund. Government say, do math. Fill form. Maybe we give fish back. Kitty cry. Kitty fill form. Form confusing. Kitty need calculator. Calculator break. Kitty cry. Kitty use paw. Kitty complete form. Government say, good job. Here's 1 fish back. Kitty still missing 2 fish, but buys snack. Kitty nap. That's how it works when you earn fish. Some fish don't stay.